Hi everyone, yesterday I have successfully passed AWS DevOps Professional Certification. And today, while my memory is still fresh, I would like to reflect on it. Maybe something what I say will help you pass it. It was one of the most challenging certifications I've ever had. It was 3 hours long, with 75 questions. I barely made it in time. I literally had only 2 minutes left when I pressed submit. My head in the end was totally exploding. In this video, I will not tell you how I prepared for the exam. Soon, I will release a video how I prepare for my AWS exams. I use exact same method to prepare for all my exams, and I have successfully passed 6 of them, using exact same method. So subscribe and stay tuned. Now regarding this DevOps professional exam, I had a feeling that I failed, but I didn't. There were a lot of questions about code commit, code deploy and code pipeline, which was expected, and I was prepared. There were also a lot of questions about Lambda deployments, elastic beanstalk deployments, auto-scaling group deployments, so be prepared. I did not expect that there will be so many questions about multi-account architecture, such as AWS Control Tower, AWS organizations, and a lot of AWS config and cross-account config. So read about it a little bit extra before you go to exam. There were quite a lot of questions about Event Bridge, CloudWatch logs and CloudWatch alarms. Some questions about Elastic Container Service, as well as some security-oriented questions, like Security Hub, AWS Macie, AWS Guard Duty, AWS Shield, and Web Access Firewall. Also, I was surprised to see some questions about AWS Health, and some questions about services I never heard about, neither in the course nor in the practice tests. For example, there was a question about something called CloudWatch Canary. I have no idea what it is. Never used it. Let me know in the comments if you know what it is. There were around 2 or 3 questions from Udemy practice tests. So glad I bought it. So again, it is a very challenging exam. Take the preparation step very seriously. I have left 28 questions for review. It is a miracle that I made it in time, and even bigger miracle that I scored 811 points. Prepare well, believe in yourself, and may the cloud be with you, always.